In this video, we are going to check a complaint regarding a LAN port not working. Now, in this system, the ONT I have connected is a dual band ONT called HG323DAC. As we know, there are two methods to log into the ONU. One method is by connecting a LAN cable from the LAN port at the back of the ONU to a computer and then logging into the ONU. Otherwise, we can connect through the ONU's Wi-Fi. Since this is a dual band device, it has both 5 GHz Wi-Fi and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. We can connect to either one and log in to the ONU through Wi-Fi. For that, we only need to know the default password and the default IP address of the ONU. Whether it is a single band or dual band ONU, the IP address will be 192.168.1.1 and the password will be stdonu101, where ONU is in uppercase letters. Sometimes when we connect a LAN cable from the ONU to a computer, we may not be able to log in. Or even if the internet is already configured in the ONU, when we connect through the LAN port, we may not get internet. In such cases, we may see complaints like the LAN port is not working properly. So today, we are going to see what all things need to be checked in such situations and what the solutions are. As I mentioned earlier, the device connected here is a dual band ONT, HG323DAC. In this ONT, there are no physical configuration settings to check. Mainly, we need to check certain settings and parameters. First, we need to check whether the LAN cable we are using is working properly. For that, in whichever computer or laptop the LAN cable is connected, open the Ethernet settings. When I open the Ethernet settings on this computer, we can see multiple Ethernet ports, dial-up ports and Wi-Fi adapters. Now, in the ONU, the first thing we need to check is the LAN ports. There are 2 LAN ports available. Try connecting the cable alternately to both LAN ports. First, connect the cable from LAN 1 to the computer. When we connect it, observe the system. Now, I am removing the LAN cable from the ONU. You can see a red cross mark appearing on the Ethernet icon, which means it is not properly connected. When I reconnect the cable, that red cross mark disappears. Only when this red cross mark disappears can we confirm that the LAN port or LAN cable is working properly. If you have 2 systems or laptops, try checking on both. If you have only one computer, try using another system as well to confirm whether the issue is with the computer's adapter. Next, try changing the LAN cable. The issue could be due to a problem in the crimping of the cable. Also check the LED indications on the front of the ONU. There will be indicators for LAN 1 and LAN 2. When connecting the cable to each port, check whether the corresponding LED is glowing. These are the physical checks we can perform. If the LED is not glowing or if the red cross mark does not disappear even after connecting, then there is likely a physical issue. If the red cross mark disappears, meaning Ethernet is active, but still you are unable to log in, then we need to check whether an IP address has been assigned. This step applies only if Ethernet is active. Double-click on the Ethernet option, go to Properties and select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Double-click on it and you will see the settings like this. If DHCP is disabled in the ONU, we must manually assign an IP address to log in. If DHCP is enabled, it will assign automatically. In this case, I select Use the following IP address and enter 192.168.1.8. Do not enter 192.168.1.1 as that is the ONU's IP address. The subnet mask will be filled automatically. Then click OK. After that, open the Run window or search and type CMD to open command prompt. In command prompt, type ping 192.168.1.1-T and press enter. If you receive a reply, it means communication is established. If I remove the LAN cable, it will show request timed out. Even after checking all these, if the issue still persists, it could be a physical complaint. In that case, contact technical support and register a ticket. You can also share these videos as proof for the L1 engineers. After that, the device can be sent for service and the issue can be resolved.